Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know it has been a lot of time since I've shot a long form video and I was MIA for a very long time. I used to upload shorts on my channel, but yes, for the long format I was MIA, I agree. And so now I'm trying to make efforts to sit down and talk to you guys and start filming even the long format videos. Please do comment me what kind of long format videos you want me to shoot, and also do check out all the shorts that I've uploaded in all these days. I'm sure it will be a lot of entertainment, a lot of information and a lot of learnings for you guys. So yeah, starting for today's video now. Today I'm going to watch a movie and I'm going all alone. So since I have a kid and my husband needs to take care of the kid, because one person always has to be with the kid. So currently in the afternoon I'm going for the movie, and at night I'll be taking care of the kid and my husband would be going for the movie. So the movie's name is Param Sundari, and I wanted to feel very Indian because it's an Indian movie. So I've worn this pink kurta that is from Myntra now. If you guys want the link, do comment link and I'll send you the DM if you like this color. This is a very pretty color. It will suit on all the skin tones. And for the makeup part, I want to keep it light, but for today's video what I've thought is I want to use everything from the bridal makeup kit from Blue Heaven, and I want to use only these products and create a look for myself which is light, easy breezy, appropriate for the movie date with myself, and also test the products out of this and give you some kind of review. So although it says bridal makeup kit, but the products that come in this kit are useful for even the girls who are not bride. It's for all age groups, and they give a lot of products inside. I'll show you all one by one even if I'm not using. So as I can see behind, there are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 products inside this kit, and it retails for, although its MRP is 1350, but I've got it for like 450 rupees. So this bridal kit, when you get it on a discount for 450 rupees with 11 products inside, it's a steal deal. You trust me, you guys. I can again comment me makeup kit link and I will send you the link for this as well. And I have used the Blue Heaven products before and I can vouch that they are good as per the price point. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started since I also need to leave for the movie soon. So yeah, first product which I'll be using, I've already, now this does not come in the kit, but I've already used this Plix watermelon product, Protect and Hydrate 2-in-1 formula moisturizer plus sunscreen, 2% olive squalane and vitamin C. It's broad spectrum and 50 PA plus SPF. It helps you to hydrate and protect your skin for all skin types. And this is like, I think, how much grams? 50 grams, yeah. So I've already prepped my skin. I've washed my face and I have used this moisturizer plus sunscreen, and I've also applied a little bit of lip balm. And this is from Plix. It's really good. It smells like watermelon and I love this. Like currently I'm using this and I really love this. So I have used this moisturizer. Post this I need, I think, some kind of tint. Now look at this. This is from Blue Heaven Get Bright Liquid Foundation. This is like a size of a nail paint. And it says behind 45 rupees. Although it comes in a kit, that's why it's so small. But yeah, this is like a size of a nail paint. So I'm just going to apply a little bit everywhere. I only want to apply like less. Because I don't want to deck up like a bride. Just a little bit of tint to bring some life. And I'm just going to, so this is how I make dots, and I'm just going to use my hands to blend it. Just activate your hands and blend. I don't want to go all out and use concealers and stuff and hide my dark circles so evidently. It's okay. It's few A little bit of my dark circles are visible, that's natural. So this is how it looks. Appropriate for the day. I don't want to deck up more on this. So this was one of the product which comes inside, the liquid foundation. Then we will go ahead with what we want to go for. Yeah, this, I think I want to, since this is a powder blush, first I want to use the powder, compact powder. So this is the compact powder which comes inside. It's very small, cute. This is Instant Glow Matte Compact Powder. I think this is in which shade? There are 3 shades to it: vanilla, cream and honey. I think this one would be cream blush. I mean, this would be cream color. Yep. So let's open this. It comes with a puff inside, but it's a little hard, like a cardboard. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the puff that they have given me, although I'll try to work around with this only. So this is the color, so I'll try to work out with this one. So I'll try to work around my eyes. Never take it directly on you. You have to just like press it here like this, so before you go very deep in the under eyes, so they don't look cakey. I might have to do a second round of powder after I finish my makeup, but then let's see, if it's required. We are just going for a light movie date makeup look. So yeah, don't do too much of anything. I'm just like put some powder inside my eyes, I guess. No. So yeah, this is the powder. Then I want to go ahead and put some blush. Luckily it is exactly the color of my kurti that I'm wearing, so I can use this blush and show. And for everything I'm going to use hands only, because it's getting late and I'm just trying to show you all, like when you are getting late, how you can work around with your hands without any tools. I like to put a little bit around my nose for that flushed look. It's really pigmented. Please work with little first because it's really pigmented. This is Shimmer Matte from Blue Heaven. So all of these products, I guess, I mean I have not checked, but I guess they sell these products individually as well. See, I had just taken little and still it's like a lot. I'll just balance it out with the powder. So yeah, this is the blush. Very pretty, pigmented, and blends easily even with your hands. So perfect. Then I want to go ahead and I want to use, just for the sake of video, otherwise I would have not used eyeshadow right now, but since I'm making a video for it, I'll just try the eyeshadow and let you guys know as well. So I think this color will go with my kurti. So I'll take this and I'll put a little bit across my eyes. I'm just creating a monochrome look all over pink. I'm not doing any fancy eyeshadows for now. Let's see if I want to use some glitter on top of it for the effect, but I don't think, in the daytime we need so much of makeup. The sunlight already does its job, so the lighter the better. And it's really like raining, then suddenly it's hot outside, then it's again humid, so it confuses your skin and your makeup as well. So it's always better to be in a light makeup setup when there are so many changes in your seasons. I think I can use this little bit around my eyeballs just for that ombre effect, for the gradient effect, ombre effect. It's very much in trend right now, so just using a little bit, although not needed for a movie date. I'm just doing it for the video sake, since I'm showing you guys like how the product is. Now, after doing all the base makeup and everything and the eyeshadow, this is like the entire eye combo which comes in the box. Let's start with doing eyebrow. So this is the eyebrow pencil. It's, I think, a little gray in color. It's not jet black. And the other side, it's nothing. It's just like a pencil. I thought other side would be brush, but no, there's no brush. It's just like a pencil which you can fill in. So I'll try to fill in. Usually I don't use these kind of pencils to fill my brows, but let's see how this goes. I generally prefer blacks or browns rather than grays. This is the first time I'm using gray. Let's see if it suits my skin tone. I feel gray. I think it's filling up my brows. Yeah, let's see the difference, this and this. There's a clear difference. I think I overdid it a little. I'll just wipe off a little. Yeah, so clear difference between the two eyebrows. So yeah, it's doing its job. It's filling. Yeah, this is good. But I still feel black color goes better on my skin. Browns or blacks. This gray is good, not bad. And I still have my inclination towards black. I have to go all over my eyebrow multiple times, to fill it just because it's a gray color. Had it been black in like 2 swipes, I would be done with my eyebrows. And when you're in a hurry, you don't want to be like going over something again and again to get the effect. So yeah, doable, but not that great. At least for me and my skin tone. Then the next they have is kajal. Now I have dark circles, as you guys can see. So I avoid using kajal. I used to use a lot of kajal during my college days. That was the only makeup I used to do during my college days. A little bit of kajal and a lip gloss. That's it. Back then we did not have so many products. I mean, we did have, but college girls only preferred, like, 90s girls would relate. Only a little bit of kajal and lip gloss and just tie your hair and just go, or leave your hair and go. That was the only kind of makeup that we understood. Girls today clearly, college girls today are clearly way more advanced than what we were. So yeah, this reminds me of my college days. Ever since I have not applied kajal that much because I think it like highlights my dark circles. But yeah, I'll apply a little today. I'm not going to go very dark. So this goes around my waterline, and as you can see, it's really good. My eyes are watering because they are now not used to kajal. But yeah, like just 1-2 swipes and it's really dark and intense. So it gives you the kind of payoff that you want. So yeah, usually the trend is that you smudge it, but I'm liking this way as well. The next we have is an eyeliner. It comes like this with a very sharp liquid eyeliner with a very pointed tip. So let's see if we can do this. I want to go very light. I'm doing it looking in the camera, so I don't know how this is going. Don't judge my eyeliner applying skills, they are better, but currently I'm not doing it in front of mirror, so it's a little bit uncomfortable. I think I'm going to go and apply in the mirror and come back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I don't think I've done that great a job, but just like ignore that because I'm really getting late and I don't want to spend more time, you know, beautifying it. So yeah, this is the eyeliner. It's really black, intense, good color payoff, and that's what we want. And the next product is this mascara. Oh my god, you need to look at this. Look at this brush. So intense. I'm only going to go for one coat because as I told you, I don't want much of it. And you can already see the difference. Yeah, so the mascara is good, does the job. I wouldn't say one of the best in the market, but yeah, it does its job. Like, this is at what price point? At this price point is amazing. Good for the college girls who are on a limited budget and want to try out something and learn makeup. The next is this lipstick. It's like a bullet lipstick. Very good packaging. So I'll just apply a little over here. It goes with my kurti, so I like to go around with my hands. Take out all the excess that is spilled out. Fill all the gaps. Do these techniques because you don't want the lipstick to be sitting on your teeth. Yeah. So I think the lipstick is great. The color is very pretty. Goes on my outfit currently. So yeah, that was this lipstick, Bullet Lipstick Matte. Then there is Sindoor as well, which I don't want to apply right now. That will be too much. But yeah, the color as I've shown on my shorts. You can go and check out the shorts. So the color payoff is really good for Sindoor as well. And then there is this lipstick which is a liquid lipstick. So they have one matte lipstick and one liquid lipstick. And this also, the color is really good. I have swatched this as well on my shorts. You can go and check my shorts for this. So yeah, I think that's it. We have the 11 products. So I'll do a quick recap. This is actually my final look as well for the movie. Tell me how this has turned out in like 10-15 minutes. So I'll just quickly recap all the products that come into it. And I'll also just put it inside this box for you guys. So yeah, in the bridal kit, we have, first one is this one. 1, the foundation. 2, the blush. 3, the powder. 4, the eyeshadow palette. 5, the Sindoor. 6, the matte bullet lipstick. 7, the liquid lipstick. 8, the kajal. 9, the eyebrow pencil. 10, the mascara and liquid eyeliner. That's 11. So total of like 11 products inside this kit. Retails for, I got it for like 450 rupees. Crazy deal and really good products. Totally de-approved. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. But do like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll see you very soon in my next long format video, I promise. Thank you so much guys. I love you. Bye bye.